Whenever you're ready.
All right. Hey, I'm Guy with Intelligent Design Manufacturing. We're here today to go over the X-Scrub Max 20 scrubber. So it's a 20-inch walk-behind floor scrubber. Puts water down, scrubs it, sucks it back up. The way that this machine is to operate, you've got your main key power right here. So your key switch is here. You can turn your power on here. This is your forward and reverse button. This is a headlight button, so it'll light up the hallway like that.
Wow.
Turns the light off. This turns the light on. This is your speed control here. These are your three breakers. This is where you're gonna charge it here. This is to raise and lower your squeegee. This lever over here, you push it down and in to drop your deck in the front, to drop your pad driver or brush. You've got an easy way to fill the machine here. If you're backing up to the closet, you have a sight glass right here so you can see how much water is in the clean water tank. We have an option here where you can fill from the front of the mop sink, so you can go right into the closet, fill the mop sink right there. And of course your dirty water tank is the top tank. To drain the dirty water tank, you would open this up, you drain out the dirty water right there. You've got a clean water filter underneath here. You've got a valve to turn the water off to the clean water filter here. Once you turn the valve off, you can take the filter out, you can clean the filter, put the filter back on, turn the valve back on, you're ready for operation. So for operation, what we're gonna do is we're gonna drop the squeegee onto the floor. We're gonna push the auto button, which turns everything on. Drop the squeegee down. Hit the water bell. Oh, we got the water, that's right. We got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have 5 settings of water. Hit the button, it turns on the water, the pad, and the squeegee, all in one motion.
Got a lot of